Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT the right way. So if you're still typing write this for me and hoping for magic, in this video I'll show you exact step-by-step tactics to get consistently great results from ChatGPT. Fast, clear, and usable. Let's go. So by the end, you'll know how to set goals, structure prompts, iterate like a pro, and use built-in tools for documents, images, and data plus common mistakes to avoid. So first, you can just open ChatGPT in web or app and start a new chat like this. And then here, you can turn on history if you want continuity and turn it off for sensitive work. And have your assets ready like links, brief, brand voice, and examples. So you can use this simple framework for example, say it with me, GCAF, goal, context, examples, format. So the goal, what you want and for whom. The context is facts, constraint, tones, and also audience. And examples, 1 until 2 samples to imitate. And the format, you can go with bullet list, table, outline, JSON, blank, or headings. So, for example, here you can create a 60-second YouTube short script about morning productivity. In the context, you can go with friendly, punchy, like this one, for example. This one, and you got the context CTA at the end. As example, you can like Ali Abdul hooks, for example, and the formats is title, approximately 8 to 10 short lines, and each have less than 100 characters. So this is one of the example, and if you want to use it for research or summaries, so let's say you pass long text or note and you can ask for structure outputs, you can go with the prompts like this. Let's say summarize the text into 5 bullets and then 3 risks and then 3 actions items. You can go with this, and you can also ask them to extract all dates, names, and decisions into a table or create a study guide with key terms and example. And if you want to have asset ideas and then become assets, you can let's say you can turn ideas into ready to publish assets. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 10 video titles with CTR hooks, and you can also ask them to write 3 YouTube descriptions, 1 long SEO, 1 medium, and 1 short. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!